Hey guys, welcome back to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix 3000 Media Resource Decoding Firefox. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go for the three lines at top right corner of the screen, and then over here you could go for the settings. Here on the settings guys, you could just simply use the search bar at the top and search for performance, and now you will have only one options over here, recommend performance settings. So just simply uncheck this one over here and uncheck as well the use hardware acceleration when available, and mostly this can fix your issue. Now for the next solution is you could just simply go ahead and go for the about config. So over here you will have this window, and you could just simply go ahead and select accept the risk and continue. And after that, as you can see, you will have the search bar at the top, and first you could just simply search for media.ffvpx.enabled, and after that, here as you can see, if it's true, just make it false, and if it's false, just make it true, and mostly that can fix your issue. And another one that you should search is this one over here, and now just make sure that this one is true. Now another one is you could also try turning off any ad blocker if you have any ad blocker. So make sure to turn it off so you won't have any issue into your PC or Firefox. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.